here's a look at the market through the eyes of E-mini Day Trader for Monday, Feb 22nd, 2010. Well, it was a pretty quiet day today. The market did reach up to that 13 area that we had mentioned was the next area of likely resistance. So it hit it, got up to 1275 in the overnight session. By the way, these are market profiles. This is what occurred overnight. Each profile consists of a lettered market profile and a volume profile. The one in the red circle here is, or red square, is what we had today. Market profile and volume profile, and this of course is what occurred on Friday. So a very quiet day. You can see the market, it opened here, it did dip down, and then closed in here. So basically a day of consolidation, and we're still looking at that 13 area as at least temporary resistance for right now. And we're really looking at around the 5 level of support. So anywhere between these two blue lines is really our major or most immediate areas of support and resistance. And of course we still think there's an up bias in the market, so would have a preference to be buying near support as opposed to selling near resistance. We also of course use the market profiles that do not include the regular, do not include the overnight session. So these profiles you're looking at right now also include the, or they only include, I should say, the regular trading hours. And as you can see, it was an inside day today, just a day of consolidation. The next level down of support is that 5 area and up to 13, with around about the 10 area also as half decent resistance as well. As far as our trades were concerned today, we only had one trade, and as you can see here, the entire range for the day, the high was 11 and the low was 350. So 7.5 point range is not very much. So a pretty quiet day, and just more or less a give and take back and forth after the market opened here and had that move lower, and that really contained the movement for the entire day. Basically went sideways. We did have a nice deceleration bar right here that we were able to get long, so market moved only 1.25 points in our favor. However, we ended up system-wise break even, whereas of course a lot of our traders would have moved that stop up and at least had some profit on the trade, but that was really the only trade that we had today. So taking a look at tomorrow is, as I said, we think the support is still there. So a couple of important numbers. One in particular, consumer confidence is be released at 10 o'clock New York time tomorrow, and that does sometimes move the market. So we want to be aware of that because there could be obviously a break in the market, either break higher or lower at that time. So be aware of that. Otherwise, these are the areas that we're looking at for support and resistance. So any questions or comments, please get a hold of us. There's our email right there, info@eminidaytrader.com. I'd love to hear from you, any questions or comments. So thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.